Greetings. This is my friend. It's pretty cool, huh? Hey, welcome back. See, I got a little buddy here. This is gonna be my next project. It's a little goat. Got from a buddy of mine, and he's like, "Hey, do you want this thing?" I said, "Hey, sure. I'm gonna see what I can do with him." He's not stinky right now, but as soon as I soak him, you best believe he's gonna get stinky. But it's pretty cold in here right now. I'm gonna make this quick, make this short. Just wanted to ask you guys. I'm thinking I want to do a metal coating on it, kind of like this guy up here. Super cool. It's a metal flake and an acrylic, so you just basically you dab it on there, you coat the whole skull, and then you put a little it's called a metal wax on it. You let that cure, and then you buff that out, and it makes it kind of look like an aged metal look, like this guy. I got plenty of different colors. I have the copper, the gold, darkened iron. This one is silver, iron B, and a pewter color. This is pewter up here. But yeah, I get all these colors from a company called Sculpt Nouveau. Really cool company, really cool product. And yeah, basically you can turn anything metal that you want. And this stuff is good for outdoor use as well. I mean, you can coat these things and leave them outside for up to 10 years and nothing. It'll look just as new as the day you did it. But I'm gonna end up cleaning this guy up and doing a metal coating on it. I just want to ask you guys to see if what color should I do it. Let me know in the comments. If you're excited to see this video, give this video a like, and I'll be getting going on this guy in the next few days, and I'll do a video on it so you guys can all see it. Once again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See ya.